welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Starting the day with a steaming cup of tea is a cherished routine for many of us. Beyond being a morning ritual, teas offer a spectrum of health benefits. Among them, Kahwa tea stands out as a delightful fusion of taste, aroma, and a plethora of well-being advantages. Rooted in Kashmir's culinary tradition, this exotic Kahwa tea combines Kashmiri green tea leaves, whole spices, nuts, and saffron, creating a flavorful experience. Kahwa tea, traditionally brewed in a brass kettle called a samovar, encompasses an assortment of ingredients. The ideal Kashmiri Kahwa blend comprises saffron, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and dried fruits like cherries, apples, raisins, pine nuts, pistachios, walnuts, almonds, cashews, dried apricots, or dates. Each variant of kahwa boasts its unique flavor and aroma, making it a sensory delight. In this video, we will see the incredible benefits of kahwa tea, especially in cool seasons. Kahwa tea serves as a digestive tonic, cleansing the digestive system, enhancing metabolism, and alleviating issues like constipation. Particularly beneficial in winter, a morning cup aids in initiating a robust digestion process. Widely consumed in Kashmiri households post meals, kahwa contributes not only to digestion but also helps in eliminating fats. It aids in preventing cholesterol deposition in blood vessels, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Enriched with saffron, a source of vitamin B12, kahwa tea fortifies the body's defense system. Its antioxidants contribute to maintaining overall health, guarding against infections, especially during the winter season. Antioxidants present in kahwa tea moisturize the skin, diminishing acne occurrences. Crushed almonds in the brew contribute to skin cleansing, ensuring a healthy and radiant complexion, particularly in winter when skin tends to be dull and dry. Beyond a morning pick-me-up, kahwa tea serves as an instant energy booster, revitalizing during moments of fatigue or lethargy. A midday cup can alleviate headaches, lift spirits, and enhance overall efficiency. A trusted home remedy, kahwa tea offers relief from cold, sore throat, and chest congestion. Its warmth aids in clearing chest congestion, alleviating symptoms associated with cold and cough. Abundant in antioxidants, kahwa tea induces a sense of relaxation, reducing anxiety levels. It acts as a countermeasure against stress-induced toxins, providing a calming effect and a momentary escape from daily pressures. Kahwa tea is not just a beverage, it's a holistic experience that intertwines taste, aroma, and well-being. Embrace this Kashmiri tradition, savoring the delightful journey it takes you on while enjoying the numerous health benefits it brings to your daily life. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Healthy Natural Remedies channel for more content. Feel free to leave comments below on what you'd like to see in the future videos. Until next time, take care and Shubham Bhavatu.